To optimize listings individually via Boost Analytics, from one of the reports, if you scroll down into the report and click the listing you wish to optimize and click Boost Visibility in this case, it'll take you through to the optimization process where Boost Analytics has highlighted different areas for you to focus on to help improve the optimization of this listing. So it's flagged the item title and description. Description seems good and it's the perfect length. The item title is a good length, but it's missing out on important keywords. So I'll put the keyword in for the actual what item it is, which is a laptop, and click find. And this will pull back all the keywords associated with that item to show you the weighting and gives you some kind of idea of how to structure your item titles based on the weighting of keywords in relation to the eBay buyer search data. So for example, it's missing keyword. So it's best to add that into one of the first five positions within the item title because it's got a lot of weight to it. And instantly this will help expand the search reach, the visibility, but match more buyer searches because that keyword is present and visible within the item title. So once you've edited and updated item titles, check the description, click next, and that'll take you through onto the image section. That's all good. But the next section it's flagged is category. So if you click into there, it always does a category check to make sure that you're listing the product to the correct category. But if you're an eBay anchor store, you can map a secondary category on for free. So there's no additional fees for anchor store sellers to add on a secondary category, and that'll automatically expand the search reach and visibility of this listing within eBay. But item specifics play a big part in terms of search reach and visibility on eBay, helping expand the search reach but also matching more buyer searches. So buyers tend to go into a search results page and then filter down via item specifics. If you're missing out on these important item specifics, your product's not going to show in the search results. So it's already suggested adding on some missing item specifics, which can easily be done by clicking add all. But you'll see up here, you've got the current optimization score around the item specifics, which is 67%. It's currently appearing in 1.78 million searches over the past 30 days, but the actual category data was 2.3 million searches. So it's missing out on quite a few searches due to missing item specifics. So if we add these missing recommended item specifics on, you'll see that it's increased the search reach of visibility and grown the optimization score, but it still shows they're missing out on 559,000 searches due to missing item specifics. So if you work through this list with the little rockets, that gives you all the buyer search data over the past 30 days to make sure you've added on the important ones, which have the most search volume. But for example, series, they haven't added on series item specific to this listing, which is resulting on them missing out on 547,000 search impressions over the past 30 days. So by just simply adding that on, you'll see the optimization jump straight up to 99%. It's improved the number of searches it's going to appear within over the next 30 days and reduced the number of searches it could potentially miss out on over the forthcoming 30 days. So it's dropped down right to 12,000 searches that it's missing out on. So by adding on as many item specifics as you can in relation to the search data, so for example, if I add on graphics processing type, that's reduced it down from what it was, 12,000 down to 456. So the better your item specifics are, the better the search reach, visibility, and matching buyers' search queries within the eBay search results, which will result into bigger impressions, better click-through rates, and converting these listings into sales and transactions. So once you've worked through the item specifics, click Next and jump to the Revise tab. That'll give you the pre-optimization score, but when you revise the listing back up to eBay with the improved keywords in the item title, description, secondary category, adding on missing item specifics, it'll then generate a new optimization score, but then start tracking it within the tracked analysis section of your Boost Analytics account. So you can see the performance of this listing post-optimization and all the uplifts in impressions, click-through rates, and sales conversion rates.